All right, this is one of my favorite recipes. This is just a very simple chicken and rice recipe. I have 1.5 cups of rice. I just use the minute rice. I have 2 chicken breasts here cut up. I think they cook a lot they cook faster and more thorough and evenly if I cut them up in pieces like this. I salt and pepper my chicken on both sides. Flip them over. And then salt and pepper the other sides. I arrange my chicken breast in the pan, make sure they're all even layered, not stacked on top of each other. And then when you're done, it'll look like this. They're pretty crowded, but they're not on top of each other. Then I have 2 cans. I have beef broth or consomme, however you say that word, pretty much the same thing, and French onion soup. I'm going to pour both of those on top of this chicken. Ouch. I like to use a knife and just poke several times all the way to the bottom, just to make sure all that juice gets all the way down to the bottoms of it. I'm gonna cover it with foil and bake it for 45 minutes to an hour until that chicken's done and all that soup is absorbed. So this is what it looks like when it's done. It looks a little mixed up a little bit because I was cutting up a few of them to make sure they were done in the middle. So you can serve it just like this, or I like to take out my chicken, put it on a separate plate, cut it up really small, and then put it back in and mix it with the rice. My kids just eat it a lot better if they can't see those big pieces of chicken and pick them out. Because if they could, they would just eat rice. I think I did forget to mention to set the oven at 350 degrees. Once your chicken's all cut up, just put it back in, mix it all up really well. And if your kids are picky like mine, or picky like me, they'll devour it. This meal pairs great with green beans and your choice of bread. I chose Texas toast for tonight.